Community, it's Tony here, and I have to tell you about an experience that I had. So this white shirt that I have on is a special shirt that I got in Rockport, Massachusetts. It's this light Egyptian cotton. I love it. I wear it often. I wore it on our trip a couple weekends ago, and during that trip we went to our favorite place for breakfast in West Yellowstone, and I had huckleberry syrup on my pancakes, and I have to, let's see, adjust this, and dribbled it right here on this beautiful white shirt. And then later in the day or maybe the next day, I can't remember, we had ice cream, and I got chocolate ice cream on my shirt. And then I noticed that I had some makeup smear on the collar, and I was like, oh man. So I had heard at one point someone share a story about using this Nature Bright stuff by Shaklee. I heard that they used it to clean their antique quilts, and so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try. So here's what I did, you guys, and I got all of my stains out. My shirt is beautifully white now. So I just took a bowl and I put hot water in it, and then I added, this is the dispenser canister, I just took, it comes with a scoop, and I just kind of like filled my scoop about 3/4 full, and it's just a powder. And I added it to the hot water, kind of stirred it up, dissolved the crystals, and then put my shirt in and left it there. And every once in a while I would like stir it or push it down, or sometimes I would add a little bit more hot water. But I basically just let it sit in my bowl for 2-3 days. And then finally yesterday I took it out and put it through the wash with my white clothes, and all of the stains are gone. So if you have a shirt or some piece of clothing that got stained, and maybe you've had a hard time getting the stain out, and you don't want to throw out this garment because you just love it, right? So just give this a try. So it's called Nature Bright, and it's available in my Shaklee shop, and one bag is $11.25. So you can find it at tonyparkershop.com. So I hope you'll give it a try if you have some clothes that have stains that you're having a hard time lifting the stains. So, all right, I just had to share that. See you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.